Exercise 1.3, Problem 8, Discussion. In a school of 4,000 students, 2,000 know French, 3,000 know Tamil, 500 know Hindi, 1,500 know French and Tamil, 300 know French and Hindi, 200 know Tamil and Hindi, 50 know all the three languages. How many do not know any of these three languages? How many know at least one language? How many know only two languages? This is something very similar to the previous case. So if let's say F represents a number of people who know, F is a set of people who know French, so N of F will be 2000. T represents the Tamil speaking students, so N of T will be 3000. Hindi represents, H represents students who know Hindi, so N of H will be 500. So this is 1500 know French and Tamil, so N of F intersection F, and means intersection, right? I hope you remember that. 300 know French and Hindi, so N of F intersection H is 300. 200 know Tamil and Hindi, so N of T intersection H is 200, and 50 know all three, that is N of F intersection T intersection H. And what is this? This is N of U, all the students. Okay, so N of U equal to 4,000. So this is the given information. Okay, now if you look at it, the formula, okay, we are asked to find few things. Okay, we'll, for the time being, we'll leave it aside, and let's write our formula. In this case, N of F is known, N of T is known, N of H is known. See, it's all given here. I've listed it out. N of F intersection T, this is known, and in T intersection H, this is known, and N of all three languages is known. N of F intersection H, this is also known, right? So this is known. So everything is known, so which means we will be able to calculate this. That is the number of students who know either French or Tamil or Hindi. So if you substitute, you'll be able to add up all these things and you'll be able to get. So but total number of students is 4,000. So that 4,000 minus this will give you the students who don't know any of the three languages. Okay, and then for all these things, it's better done using Venn diagram. So I think the whole thing you can do using Venn diagram. So draw three intersecting circles representing students who know French, Tamil and Hindi, and a box around it representing U. So first thing, what do? We fill only the intersection, F intersection T intersection H, all three languages, that is 50. Then mark F intersection T, French and Tamil, Tamil and Hindi, French and Hindi, and then using the total number of students, you'll be able to calculate who know only French, Tamil and Hindi, and that is how you'll be able to do it using your Venn diagram. Okay, either you can pause the video here and try to work it out on your own, or you can follow us. Okay, so now first thing, as I told you, list out all the thing whatever is known. N of U is 4,000, N of F is 2,000, all these things. Okay, list out all the information. Now draw the three circles. Forget about these numbers. Let's list out all the numbers. Actually, maybe I should animate this also. Okay, in the next version I'll animate this also, so I'll bring out the information as we keep discussing. That'll be more useful. Anyway, this circle represents French, this circle represents Tamil, this represents Hindi speaking students. So we know F of N of F is 2000, N of T is 3000, and N of H is 500. Now first thing we'll have to fill, this is the portion which is intersection F intersection T intersection H is this portion. Am I right? So first fill up this. So that is 50. Now take the next thing. Let's take F intersection T. Number of students who know French and Tamil. French and Tamil is this area, right? This, right? This area. I think I did this something similar in the last problem. Okay, this is 1450, sorry 1500, right? That's what they say FN. But out of this 1500, 50 is already counted because they know apart from French and Tamil, they also know Hindi. So that needs to be subtracted. So this area is 1450. Similarly, next French and Hindi. French and Hindi is 300. So this whole thing is 300. Okay, out of which 50 is already counted, because that 50, apart from knowing French and Hindi, they also know Tamil. So that 50 has to be subtracted from 300. So this area who knows only French and Hindi is 250. Similarly, Tamil and Hindi is 200, right? So Tamil and Hindi is 200. So this portion, right? Tamil and Hindi, that is 200, out of which 50 is already counted, because they know, apart from Tamil and Hindi, they also know French. So you have to subtract that 50. So the remaining is 150. So now we have done all three languages and people who know only 2 languages. So this is all counted. Now whatever is left out, who knows, is the only people who know 1 language only. Total number of people who know 2000. French is 2000. Out of which 1450 know French and Tamil. 50 know French, Tamil and Hindi. 250 know French and Hindi. So you add up all these things, subtract from 2000. That will give people, number of people, students who know only French. So that is what I done. 2000 minus 1450 minus 50 minus 250. So I've taken minus commonly out and I've put all the things inside the bracket, added it up and subtracted it from 2000. You will get 250. Similarly, only Tamil, the whole thing is Tamil, out of which we have already accounted for all these things. So 3000 minus 1450 minus 50 minus 150 is the people who know Tamil, which represents this area. Right? Now, next one, Hindi alone, which represents which area? So this area. But overall Hindi is this, but only Hindi is this area. Right? Now, overall Hindi we know it is 500, out of which 250 knows French and Hindi, 50 know all three, 150 know French and Tamil. So add up all these things, subtract it from 500, you will get only who know Hindi. Now we have got the answer for all these, at least one. Okay, how many know? Okay, next, how many know, do not know any 3 languages? Okay, now we have come, so we have marked all these things. So how many of them know at least one language is the sum of all these together. So 250 plus 250 plus 50, add up all these things. Okay. So that is basically 4000. Total is 4000, right? So you add up that. So 4000. So you add up all these things. 13 of you can do, let's add up 250 plus 250 plus 50 plus 50 plus 150 plus 1350 plus 1450. That is what I listed it out here. So this is the one who knows languages, people who know at least one language. So any of these people will know at least one language, that adds up to 3550. So number of students who don't know even one language will be the total number of students 4000 minus this sum, that is 3550, that is 450. So 450 students are going to lie outside the circle but inside the box, and they represent the group which does not even know one language. Okay. Next, number of students who know at least one language. That is what we saw, right? At least one language is sum of all these, that's sum of all the numbers inside the circles. So that is basically the same step. 250 plus 1350 plus 50 plus 1450 plus 150 plus 250 plus 50. That is 3550. So now you can check. Number of students who knows at least one language is 3550, and who don't know any of the languages 450. Add up these two, that will come to 4000, which is the total number of students. What else? How many know only 2 languages? How many know 2 languages is this area. 250 who knows French and Hindi. 150 who knows Hindi and Tamil. 1450 who knows French and Tamil. So sum it up, you will get 1850. So 1850 knows only 2 languages. Okay. So I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.